Solar panel output. How much energy does a solar panel produce? Welcome to our channel. Today, we're demystifying a question that's on the minds of many. How much energy does a solar panel produce? The energy output of a solar panel is measured in watts. Typical residential panels range from 250 to 400 watts. This number tells us how much power the panel can produce under perfect conditions. But wait, there's more to it. A panel's output isn't fixed. It's influenced by several factors. First, there's sunlight. The more, the better. Second, the angle and orientation of the panel play a crucial role. The closer it is to facing the sun, the more energy it generates. Location matters. If you're in a sunny state like Arizona, your panels will be super productive, but if you're in a cloudy or shaded area, their output might be lower. On average, a 250-watt panel in a good location can generate around 600 to 700 kilowatt-hours per year. In a nutshell, the energy a solar panel produces is influenced by many variables. If you're thinking about going solar, it's essential to have a professional assess your specific situation. Thanks for joining us today. Hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative.